All right, so where we at? What are we doing?
Man, y'all already know Man, y'all already know the deal. We're at the GoPower Sports headquarters, and today we're here to talk storm talk. So y'all can see here, we got a couple different storms, a couple different respirations. We're gonna get into it, talk about some of the differences versus bone stock versus Jason's, AKA the perfect storm, versus my version, AKA the dark storm. All right, y'all. So as you know, the Trailmaster Storm, I call it the ugly duckling. A lot of people call it the ugliest mini bike of all time, but that don't mean it can't be cool. Super good starter bike, around about 700 bucks, get you one. It's almost fully assembled. Pulling them out the crate, you putting the front end on, putting air in the tires, putting the front wheel on, stuff like that. Don't have to jack with the motor or anything. Put a little oil in it, fuel in it, she ready to roll. But a lot of people use this as a beginner bike, starter bike, first mini bike. Like I say, super simple. A while back, y'all might know that Jason built what we call the perfect storm. I got a little different with this one. As you can see, he uses universal front suspension, Moto 80 front fender. We converted the clutch on this one to a torque converter, so it's actually a 30 series torque converter on there. This thing's super torquey. It's a wheelie monster. Even got a couple go fast parts, as you can see. We got the stage 1 kit, Fat Boy drag header back there, nice and neat. Actually managed to keep the fender on here, which is still kind of tricky because it's super close, but it worked. Got 8-hanger handlebars. Went ahead and slapped it with a Moto 80 front number plate too. So, I mean, it kind of gives you a different look. Set of street tires, it also gives you a different ride as well. This is a super duper cool, affordable cruiser. You can't go wrong with this. Then you get over to this, boom. It's my version. It's what I see when I see a storm. We call it the dark storm. Somewhat similar to Jason's, and then again, it's not similar at all to Jason's, and it's far from stock. As you can see on this one, we went with the new billet triples for the universal front suspension kit. Kept the stock brake, went ahead and hit it with the tall billet risers by GPS. Also drag bars. It's kind of my style. I like everything sporty, kind of crotch rockety style. Somewhat uncomfortable, but looks good. So I hit it with the drag bars. I didn't do like Jason with the torque converter. We kept a clutch on it because it's actually plenty for the bike that it's on and the wheels that's on it. You don't really need the torque converter, even though it's super cool. We just kept it simple there, kept a clutch on it, but we did hit it with a big boy gold chain. Somewhat re-geared this one as well. Took a couple teeth off the rear sprocket to get a little bit more top end. Instead of the drag header like on Jason's, I went with the trumpet header. And also like Jason with the Moto front fender, I comboed and hit it with a custom Moto 80 rear fender. And you can see there, I just had to cut a little notch for the chain. That's pretty much it, it bolts it. I cut a little notch for the chain and I drilled one additional hole per side just to get it to mount. I used one of the existing holes already in the fender. That worked like a charm. Same thing with the go fast part. Nice little stage 1 kit, simple. Left the governor in it. But on top of that, we hit it with a couple accessories like the billet foot pegs by GPS. Once again, just drilled the hole, bolt them up. It's pretty simple, not really much to it. And we also hit it with our GPS short chain guard. I gave it a little dust coat of black paint. Still use the stock rear chain guard, just cause it kind of went with the flow, and here we are. It's a dark storm. Some call it like a cafe style. I just call it a sport dark storm. And here you have it. And y'all see, we got it on the floor. You can come get her, man. 1,200 bucks, bring cash. We won't charge you no taxes. Come see us. Dark Storm can be yours. This is the only bike in this reparation. And yes, Jason's Perfect Storm is gonna be sold as well. Jesus is actually gonna make a post about this one. I told him to list it as, in quote, the one from the video. So y'all stay on the lookout for that. Boss man to get that one posted up soon, and it'll be up for fair game. But as of now, you can definitely come get a stock one any day of the week. And as of right now, you can come by the Dark Storm as well. So y'all know where we at, 1375 South Main Street, GoPower Sports, Keller, Texas. Come on down.
I said, woo!